Positive cases in Goa state continues to increase. According to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 9 July 2020, 112 new positive cases were reported in Goa. Total confirmed cases in the state are 2,152. Active cases in the state stands at 869. Recovered cases stands at 1,273. Total 9 deaths are reported till 9 July 2020. One male, 50 years with comorbid conditions from New Ardem, Vasco, Goa, who was admitted at Goa Medical College, Bambolim, and subsequently confirmed positive, expired on 9 July 2020. Breakup of total 869 active positive cases are as follows. Travelled by road, train, flight 109, Mangur Hill 64, Link to Mangur Hill 305, Kurtorem 10, Margao 7, Kwepem 16, Lutolim 30, Indiranagar Chimbal 32, Navilim 3, Ganganagar Mapsa 7, Sakre 34, Kamrabad Tonka 7, Kankana 8, Fatota 2, Kurka Shankarwadi 4, Raya 2, Kundaim 1, Verna 8, Motidongar 13, Ponda 32, Walpai 12, Marcel 5, Uskau 8, Bicholim 10, Shiroda 14, Pernem 9, Pilar 4, Goavela 9, Betki 10, Sangam 4, Kortalim 6, Kurchorem 1, Mandur 16, Porvorem 4, Darbandora 16, Kunkolim 18, Vadem Vasco 1, Kandolim 2, Kholim Mapsa 3, Karambolim 3, Parra Mapsa 2, Marsaem 3, Nerul 3, isolated case in Nuam 1, isolated case in Agasaim 1, isolated case in Karansalem 1, isolated case in Mardol 1, isolated case in Mazodda 1, isolated case in Thivim 1, isolated case in Kujira Santa Cruz 1, isolated case in Betal Bhatim 1, isolated case in Bambolim 1, isolated case in Kolim 1, isolated case in Chinchinim 1, isolated case in Kumbarzua 1, isolated case in Panaolim 1. Cases in major location are as follows. Sada 84, Paina 87, Kurtorem 32, New Ardem 73, Chimbal 60, Zuwarinagar 111, Mollam 22, Kharewada 43, Bali 27. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.